the solution to this example. First thing we're going to do is just get it into proper case. So we're going to go here, and we know there's a function Excel called proper. All we do is we point at that cell, and you'll see it's now all in proper case. We copy it down. The next thing we need to do is split it. Now you'll see because of the different name lengths, it looks like the space is what we're going to look for. So we first need to figure out where's that space. So we can use a find or a search. I'm going to use a find. And I'm going to say please find a space. So I'm going to put inverted commas space, inverted commas. And please find it over here. When I say OK, it tells me that in that cell the space is the 8th character. Let's copy it down. Now that I know where the first space is, the first name, in this case we're told the first name is at the back, so I know I'm going to use a mid function. So I'm going to go, the function is mid. I'm going to say go look at that text there. Where must it start? It must start over here. And because I'm not sure how many there will be, I'm just going to put a very big number here. Let's make it 1,000 for example. If you look carefully, you'll see if I start at the 8, you'll see there's a space in the front. So I'm actually going to say start at whatever's in that cell plus 1. When I say OK, now you'll see in this case I went to proper case, but then I pointed it here. So I'd rather have it in proper case. So there we go. So I can now go copy and paste it. And you'll see it's now pulled out the first names. Surname is on the left hand side, so in this case we're going to use the left function. And what we're saying is look, so we're going to use the proper case one. How many characters? I'm going to say look in there. Again, notice there's a space here, so if I don't want that I must put -1. I can copy that down, and you've now built something that next time you get this information you just paste it here, and the formulas will work through, change it to proper case, find the space, extract first name and surname.